In the jagged, red cliffs of the desert, the nation of Edom felt untouchable. Who can bring me down to the ground? They sneered from their rock-hewn eagles' nests. But Obadiah, God's messenger, arrived with a terrifying answer. This wasn't just about geopolitics, it was a family feud, gone toxic. Edom, the descendants of Esau, had watched with a smirk as their brother, Israel, Jacob, was hauled away by invaders. Worse, they stood at the crossroads to cut down the fugitives and loot the wreckage. Obadiah's message is a masterclass in the boomerang effect of divine justice. Because Edom gloated over Jerusalem's ruin, they would face their own. The very allies they trusted would deceive them, and their impregnable fortresses would become their tombs. But the story doesn't end in the rubble. Obadiah pivots to a future where Mount Zion shall be a deliverance. While Edom's pride led to a dead end, the kingdom of God would rise from the ashes, proving that the humble inherit the land while the proud are swept away by the desert winds.
Subscribe.